Hi viewers, if you are in Saudi Arabia and would like to use the Absher portal for the purpose of vehicle ownership transfer, then this video is for you. I will try to explain each and every step the message is received on your mobile, either the seller or the buyer. First of all, seller should have valid Ikama, valid Absher account, valid driving license, valid FAHAS, valid vehicle registration, valid local bank account, and access to PC or laptop. Seller should not have any unpaid traffic violations. On the other hand, the buyer should have complete computer test report and agree to buy the vehicle. Valid Ikama, valid Absher account, valid driving license, valid local bank account, access to PC or laptop and mobile for checking messages. If I have missed anything, please write it in the comment section. For the buyer have to first purchase the insurance. Without buying a new insurance, it is not possible to start the transfer process. Buyer have to get vehicle registration, the istamara copy from the owner of the car to buy suitable vehicle insurance. Mostly people buy third party insurance and some of them they buy the full insurance from the website Tamini or by visiting any registered vehicle insurance office. Here is a note, please try to avoid buying an insurance from the agents unregistered, unauthorized, which are usually sitting in the Marat, in the used car showrooms. They will buy a cheap insurance from the same Tamini website and charge you more, around 400 real or 500 real. They will charge you extra. So better if you can visit a nearby vehicle insurance office, Tabaniya, Bankal Raji, anyone you want. So better you should visit any insurance office and get your vehicle insurance. Once buyer purchased insurance, then the seller receive below message on mobile that a new insurance has been purchased for this vehicle plate number, and this comes to seller's mobile because right now the car is under the ownership of the seller. Now the next step is after purchasing the insurance, the buyer have to pay the government fees, which is around 150 real, and he can pay through the SDAT from the bank account by going to government service. And for Al Raji Bank, for example, he can go to payments, then government payment, and then service type motor vehicle, application type transfer ownership, transaction type payment. These above options could be different depending on each bank. So this is an example of Bank Al Raji. On the next page, after selecting these options, this window appears and then have to select motor vehicle, then transfer owner, and then have to select the payment and then current owner ID, the ICAMA number of the seller, and the vehicle sequence number from this place of this vehicle registration card, and here the ICAMA number of the buyer, and to complete the process. The next one is the example. If you are going to pay from Samba Bank, you have to log into mobile application or either through website. You have to go to government service, then motor vehicles, then transfer owner, and you have to select these options: ICAMA of seller, vehicle sequence number, ICAMA of buyer, and have to click on submit. And on the next screen, you have to click here and choose your current account and agree on the terms, and then here you have to review and click done. Now the next step for the seller is to send a selling request from his Absher account. He has to log in to his Absher account and after login to his Absher account, he can click here on services. If you are not able to see this window, then you need to click here on Vision 2030. Then this page comes to you. So this is the seller's Absher login. He has to click on services and then vehicle ownership transfer. Then this page appears. You have to scroll down until you can see seller. Then you have to click on seller, and then here you have to select this vehicle and put the vehicle agreed price, confirm the vehicle price, and here buyer ID, and here date of birth of the buyer, and here seller's information, seller's bank name, seller's IBAN, and here seller's city and district. You can pause this video and read each and every step clearly. So after this, a seller can see from his Absher account that the vehicle ownership transfer request has been successfully issued. The buyer can accept or reject through Absher within 1 hour. And the seller also receives this message: Dear customer, vehicle ownership transfer request has been issued successfully for the vehicle with this plate number. Buyer shall accept or reject the request through Absher. Now the buyer will receive this message: Dear customer, seller with this ID has issued vehicle ownership transfer of the request for this vehicle. Please accept or reject the request through your Absher account within 1 hour. Buyer have to log into his Absher account, click on services and then vehicle ownership transfer, and then click on buyer. And here he or she can see this screen, and he has to accept and write his own bank details here, the buyer's bank name, the buyer's IBAN number. In case if there is a cancellation in the deal, so all this amount comes back to this buyer's account. Then on the next screen, buyer have to accept, agree and terms and conditions by scrolling down under this contract. So to check this box, now the seller will receive this message: Dear customer, buyer has accepted the vehicle ownership transfer request for the vehicle with this plate number. Please wait until further notification with full payment of the vehicle cost. Now the seller meanwhile can check the status of this selling request from the Absher account. So he can see here that still there is no payment from the buyer, and the buyer will receive this message from Absher: Dear customer, vehicle ownership transfer request has been successfully accepted for this vehicle. Kindly continue to make the payment with the following information: bank name, bank IBAN, account number, and there is a time for this payment, and this payment includes 230 Riyal for the Absher fee. And this is the Absher bank account, not the seller's bank account. So the first payment starts from buyers to Absher bank account, and then after confirmation of each and everything, from Absher to seller's account. So here the first name and the second name for this beneficiary is added. Now the buyer have to add this as a beneficiary in his her bank account to make the payment. So these are the Absher account details, and the buyer can review and can accept. Once buyer transfer the amount, the buyer receive following message on mobile that you have paid this amount to Absher bank account. So this is the Arabic message. It means that the buyer has transferred the amount to the Absher account. So the next step is to seller to log in to his Absher account again, and he can check that the buyer has transferred the amount from his account to Absher bank account, and he can see the status here in her Absher account. So the next step is the buyer have to receive a message from this thumb with the 4-digit code, and once the buyer receives this OTP, then buyer have to inform the seller to complete the following step on the next page. And at this point, buyer should not have to inform about what is the password, what is the OTP. Still, he has to inform that I have received a message without sending this screenshot or anything to the seller. Just inform that I have received this message. Kindly complete the following step: vehicle delivery from seller's Absher account. Then the buyer will inform him what is the message received on buyer's mobile. So the next step is for seller to log into her Absher account to review below details and agree to terms and conditions, then click on vehicle delivery as shown below. So seller have to log into his Absher account and review all the details, the buyer information, name, his ICAMA number, and then to accept these terms and conditions and click on vehicle delivery. Once the seller submit vehicle delivery, then buyer have to verify it from his or Absher account via message received on mobile. After buyer's verification, the buyer have to provide OTP to seller to complete the transfer below image. So once above step complete, then buyer have to inform the seller that this is the OTP I have received. Then the seller will put this OTP into her Absher account and then review all the details and check the request status fully paid as shown here, and then to check this box under contract, and the seller can download this contract copy which can be used later on and click on submit. Just keep in mind that if the seller forget to view this contract, then he still can see this contract later on, even after selling the vehicle from his Absher account. So now the seller can see from his Absher account this message: vehicle has been delivered successfully on this amount. The vehicle is now registered in the name of the new owner. So the seller can send this screenshot to the buyer, and later on seller can see from his Absher account that the money has been fully paid from Absher account to seller's account. So if the seller sold this car and forget to download the contract copy, then seller have to log in to come to this page and to click here old request, and from this old request he can select the vehicle and download the contract copy again. So buyer will receive this message that the vehicle ownership for this vehicle has been transferred and registered with your name in the General Directorate of Traffic System. Please log into your Absher account and create vehicle registration license delivery request. So this is the next step. The buyer have to create a appointment to visit the nearby Murur office, traffic office, to get this Istimara vehicle registration. So at the end, the owner of the car, the seller of the car, have to hand over the keys along with the vehicle registration Istimara copy to the buyer. It may be required that the buyer have to submit old Istimara to traffic police office while getting the new one. So here let me show you a summary for how to take appointment from the Absher for the buyer. So buyer have to log into this Absher website and create a new appointment and select this purpose, and by filling each and everything the buyer can see at the end all the details and click on confirm appointment details. Thanks for watching. I have another video before buying a used vehicle in Saudi Arabia. So the link is available in the description. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.